Dawood, Marion, of Sketchbook Fitness, where you learn pro tricks made simple. I have a very short video this time, and I'm just going to ask you guys one question. What do you want to see more of? Check out my videos if you're not familiar with the channel and see what it is that you would like to see me do. Also, let me know some things that you would like to learn. Let me know some things that you're struggling with. Leave comments down below. And if you leave a comment, navigate to the About section of the channel and send me an email. Let me know the name that you left the comment with, and I will send you a free copy of my ebook, 10 Exercises to Improve Your Drawing. This book is filled with stuff that took me years to figure out, and also some stuff that I learned from my mentor, all condensed, compiled into one little short, small, simple ebook that you could benefit from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.